My name is Karin-Susan Breitlauch. I'm a veterinarian in Saylorsburg, Pennsylvania. I own a 24/7 hospital named Creature Comforts Veterinary Service. We got Forticept Blue Butter in, actually, it was after a pet fair. It was actually where we first found it, and we were searching for some wound management for a pet of ours that we had rescued that had lost her feet to frostbite. She has some really problematic circulation issues, and so we found this, and it actually has what we really like about it is that it's a non-antibiotic, that it's an antimicrobial, but it's not an antibiotic. And with all the antibiotic resistances that we see, we like the fact that we can do something that's antimicrobial but not necessarily an antibiotic. And it has been a real godsend. We use it in combination with other things sometimes, but in general, it's been good. We use it on hot spots, just about any wound you can think of. We also use the Paw Forte on our patients for their noses and for their feet, and then we've been really, really happy with it, and it's just been a really good thing for our patients. Clients accept this really well. Sometimes they don't like the color, but overall, white dogs sometimes are blue for a while. But other than that, it has been a really nice product for our patients to use, for our clients to use on our patients. It smells nice. When you remove a bandage that has had blue butter underneath it, it does not usually typically smell horrible. And I think that's really big in the field. And those are the big things we really like about it, but we also like the simplicity. And it's easy to take a small jar of blue butter, send it home with the client, say, here, put this on the hot spot. And then when the hot spot happens again, because it eventually will, they've got something at home that they can do right away. And they don't necessarily need to get antibiotics and steroids and everything. They can just get the blue butter. And that's what we really like about it. So we've had a lot of cases. We've had burn cases. We had a case where a dog got a half a pot of coffee on it, and we ended up using blue butter and careful bandaging and lasering, and we managed to get that dog back with a over 40% burn. We've had cases of pets with bite wounds. This is really great in bite wounds. We really, really like this in bite wounds. We had a patient not a couple weeks ago, actually had a bitten through. We were pretty convinced that we would lose the foot, but we did use the blue butter. We did use antibiotics in that case, but we also used blue butter, and it's just kind of amazing. This dog's foot has healed, and it hasn't lost the foot. We've had scrapes, abrasions, hot spots. There's so many cases actually that we use it on. It's kind of actually hard to say, but I can tell you to a person, people who have used it go, wow, I just can't believe what this does on the dog. We will use it any kind of fistulas, rectal fistulas. This is a really nice product to have for that, because they usually need to use they need to still use the medications, but this is really nice for that. We use it for perivulvar when they have infantile vulvar, and then they're so irritated. So it gives them a nice cream. Like I said, it's creamy, it's smooth, and it doesn't irritate them. And typically it's pretty nice. I do try to stay away from mucous membranes with it, but other than that, it's been really good. I can think of so many cases that I can't even give you a specific one that it really does work on.
I just
really
remembered
well.
We kitten. We used the Forticept. It was too young to have surgery with the...
Yeah. Okay, we had a kitten that was too young for surgery that had a it was a kitten that was too young for overall to get surgery, and had a bad infection. And we ended up literally packing it in blue butter and bandaging it and rebandaging it every day, and the kitten saved its leg. And again, that's just an example. We do this.
It didn't even need surgery.
Yeah.
It healed up. It grew fur. We ended up never doing sedation with it.
Yeah, we did everything with blue butter. So it's been a really great product for us, and it's been accepted very well by the clients, and it's been really accepted well by the staff. And